This is the RC Jet Jog. Oh, I just broke it. Before we get started, I wanted to thank you guys for all the comments that y'all made on Facebook about the Habu jet. It allowed us to change direction on this video for this episode. So, for all you guys that don't know, we do have social media, so don't forget to check us out on Facebook. What better time than now for us to say, get those kids involved, this hobby's more fun with them, and also do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. That way we can keep the content a-flowing. Alright guys, Jet Jock here. Looks like I'm flying solo on this one.
No, you're not. We're here.
Oh, hey girls. Oh, come on, have a seat.
We just woke up.
Now, y'all can see on the table, you are not seeing double. We have two Habus now, right? We got one for Luga Girl in the future, and we got, Chicken Girls that she's been flying for a while as well. So we're going to be doing something a little different today, and we're going to have two things we're going to try to accomplish. First, we actually put an AR-410 in this plug-and-play version to test out the antenna-less receiver to see how well it does in flight. Secondly, we're also going to see how good of a trainer the Habu actually is. As y'all seen in last episodes, both of these girls have been learning how to fly on this one. So I want to see how good of a trainer it is. So with no safe technology or anything on board, I want to see how this plane compares to this one. So, just starting off, what has been your experience with the Habu as a trainer?
It flies smooth. It doesn't let me go in.
Yeah, so it doesn't let her do loops, rolls, and it kind of makes it climb all the time, doesn't it?
Yeah, it never wants to go down.
And that's what the safe technology provides. And in fact, we don't even have to use a buddy box now. So I would, that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Remember when I tripped over the buddy box at one time?
Yeah, that wasn't right. The airplane crash?
No, I saved it. Remember I was flying it on my back on the ground?
I thought that was the fox.
Was it the fox?
Uh-huh.
We had a buddy cord attached to it though, that day. That's why I fell. I hand launched it while we had to run a buddy box.
I didn't fly that.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Or was it you? Oh, sorry, it was Beluga Girl. Beluga Girl, what was your experience with the Habu as a trainer? Did you like it?
Yeah, and it didn't go bonkers.
What does that mean? It didn't go bonkers.
I don't know what that means.
I have no idea what that means.
She's very confusing.
But that's all right. She's able to actually take off, and Chicken Girl's actually able to take off and land, right?
No, I'm not able to land.
Well, we were...
Isn't the landing supposed to be called a landing, but you actually land instead of putting nose into it?
No, a landing is any time that you can reuse the airplane after you land. And I would say that we accomplished that, right? That was a good landing. I think you even read that in the intro of one of our videos. Yeah, it's been a while. All right, guys, that's enough chit-chat. Y'all ready to go get this out to the field and give it a shot, and we'll show them the differences?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, so this is the Habu jet with the AR-10. You don't need to zoom in. That way it keeps it from being too fast for you. Woo! That was close, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get that?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, so immediately off, I could definitely tell it's a little bit more twitchy. It's getting bounced around a little bit in the sky for sure. Now this is 100% rates, 0% expo. Just how we'll fly the other one too. But you see that as twitches for sure, huh?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's getting knocked around the sky too. You see that?
Yep. Not.
Okay, I'm gonna do a loop with it, okay? Ready?
Okay, not good airplane.
What? It's a great airplane. It's just not as stable, as the name would say.
It bounces.
Okay, so I'm gonna go power off here. Okay, we're just floating. Power off. Yeah, you see it bouncing around real good. No correction of that gyro. Now let's stall it. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna climb up a little bit.
What does that mean?
It means I'm gonna turn off the power, point the nose up, and let the airplane literally stop flying. Okay?
How does that not make the train
So
crash?
here we go. Power off, nose is up. There's the brake, okay? And I'm still full back, and it still hasn't dropped off either way. There's another brake. And another brake. Okay, so, I mean, no dropping of the wings. You saw that, right?
Yep.
And that was fully stalled, several brakes, and just nothing.
You can see both of his wings. See?
There we go, look at that slow flying there. A little bit of slow flying going on. That's full back elevator right there, guys. It's full back.
Why isn't his wheels in?
Because it doesn't have retracts in. That's full back elevator, guys.
There you
So
go.
even without the stabilization, I mean, that was pretty rock solid. What do you think?
Yeah, it was.
Let's try it again. Let's see if I can get that in a little closer for demonstration. What do you think? Did that just look like a P up there in the sky?
No.
You saw it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Let's try it again, though. Okay, so here we go. That's full back elevator pressure right there. Full back. And it's just sinking. It's not dropping off to either side. It's just sinking. I mean, that's amazing, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Coming on around.
Where'd it go? There it is.
Pretty easy to film when it does that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna do a low pass here. Slow low pass.
Getting hot.
Yes, it is very hot out here, huh?
Don't want to do what you did with the bighorn.
No, sure don't.
Almost dragged it into the gate.
That wasn't the bighorn, that was the Red Bull, remember?
Well, the Red Bull.
But definitely I would say it's a lot more squirrely for sure.
Are you gonna land it?
And it's a lot more responsive in the rolls, I think. We'll have to see, because I haven't flown
Where'd
the
it
other one in a
go?
long
There it
time. What's that?
Nothing. What was that? Bouncy plane.
Good landing, though.
Don't hit the fence! Oh, he's way down there.
Yeah, I landed way long, huh? So I'm going to start off in advanced mode for takeoff, just so I can have total control. And then we'll flip through the modes so y'all can see the differences, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, so remember guys, this is advanced mode I'm in right now. So immediately I notice that it's more smooth.
Yeah.
But the roll rate is a little less.
Where'd it go?
It's coming back around.
I can't see it.
I'm getting ready to come down our road here.
Mm.
You have it?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Okay, it's coming over that tree.
Got it.
Okay, so we're gonna do that pass first so you can kind of see. A lot smoother, huh?
I get the full thing.
Isn't that one much better?
I'm noticing, honey.
There it is.
Okay, so let's stall it. Here we go. You got it still?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're stalling. This is full back. Nose drop, not near as much of a nose drop. Did you notice that? Look at that. It's a lot less.
Can't see it. Where'd it go? Can't
Running around.
see it. There it is. It looks like an ant. Where is it? There it is.
So this is full back aileron, or full back elevator. And it's just kind of just coming down just like the other one did, huh? Oh, actually, we're doing a little bit better than the other one did, I think.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
All right, so now we're gonna go through the different phases here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn back around here and I'm gonna switch it into beginner mode. All right?
I can't see it.
So here we come around. And now I'm switching it over now. So this is beginner mode now, okay? This is gonna be full aileron turn. That's all I get in an aileron turn, okay?
I didn't get that.
And then full up is right here, and that is full down. Okay, these are maxing out the stick. This is a full aileron turn here, and there is that climb.
Where'd it go?
I'm going power off and coming back down. It's right over your head. You have to look through the screen, Bobo. Okay, so there comes a turn again. This is still on beginner mode with wing angle, or what is it called? Bank limits. Bank limits, thank you. There we go, full aileron turns. I'm moving the stick all the way, all the way. Nothing. There's full stall again. And just very docile in the stall. Very, very forgiving. That is unbelievable. I'm still full back on that control stick.
Where'd it go?
All right, here we come back around.
There it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to advanced mode because hopefully y'all saw enough of that. Okay, back on advanced mode. I'm ready to rock and roll. I don't know about you. Do a little bit of boogieing, huh? Here, I'm gonna come in nice and low for you.
Where's the gate wide open?
All right, here we go. Aileron roll.
Where is it? I did not get that.
All right, I'd say we have enough fun for a day.
Yep.
Time to start putting her down. Now, hopefully the landing is gonna be a lot different. That last one, the landing was a lot more drop than I was expecting. Power is off now. Lining up with the runway. Power is still off. As you notice, this airplane didn't drop near as bad as the other one did.
It's like a floater.
I'm gonna go around.
Because it's too much of a floater.
Yeah, it's too much of a floater now. Same exact airplane, guys. Same exact battery. We had the HRB 4000 milliamp 4S pack in it. Okay, so there we go. Power off again. I'm gonna drop the nose a little bit faster this time at the beginning and start slowing it up as I get lower.
There we go. No. That was a lot mixed.
Ooh! I hit the fence. Uh-oh. Chicken girl saw that. Let's run. All right, guys, that was some awesome flying. So, Chicken Girl, what was your first take on the plug-and-play version versus the ready-to-fly version?
Ready-to-fly version better.
Well, how so? How was it better? Like, what did you notice about
It
it?
was very smooth and very gentle.
Yes, I would absolutely say so.
Whereas that one was very, like, bouncy and very rough.
And here's the cool thing is we actually flew both of these airplanes on 100% rates too. So you could really see what the AS3X was doing to the airplane versus the airplane that didn't have that technology at all. Yeah, so, and you know, just also as a side, we'd like to also mention that that antennaless receiver did amazing, right? I mean, you know, there's been a lot of people talking bad about them, saying brownouts and all that stuff. We had zero issues. It was not a problem.
Can you do an antennaless receiver with a gyro?
I don't know. Guys, write in the comments if y'all know. We just had what we had, so we just...
Yeah,
so,
those antennas are annoying.
yes. Well, we'll fix that whenever we do the repaint, which is coming up soon, right?
Yeah, I'm doing it by myself.
Yep, so she'll be masking up.
No, I'm not going to use that paint. I'm just going to use acrylic.
So, ask. I'm going to go one by one first. So, Chicken Girl, would you recommend the Habu as a first airplane, never flown before, a first airplane trainer?
Yes. It's really good with the same technology as you saw with that guy.
Yeah, for sure.
The same technology keeps it from going down, and it keeps it from going into like a roll, and I think it keeps it from going into a stall.
Yeah. So that being, and then Beluga Girl, what did you think about the Habu jet as a trainer?
It was smooth and it flew like that. And
So it didn't fly backwards like that. Okay, I'm just making sure because you know.
well, if it flew backwards like that, that would be kind of disturbing. The engine would be going the other way.
Well, you know what? Actually, with the newer technology, they do have reverse on some airplanes.
Oh my goodness! I wanted to see that.
So, Beluga Girl, as far as a trainer goes, I mean, is it easy for you to fly? Yep. And also, and I wanted to mention on this earlier, she was talking about the airplane kept wanting to go up and stuff, and she has to use throttle management for the airplane to go down. So that's really good because it gets some of that left stick action on the airplane, and it develops those skills early.
It's actually the other one that goes down, but you have to push out to go down.
No, because remember, I always tell you to reduce power to get the airplane to come back down.
Oh, like that radio has like no power.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know what she's talking about. Anyway, what do you mean? You're weird.
The stick is like.
All right. Anyway, enough kidding aside, guys. As far as conclusions are concerned, this airplane is a great first airplane for somebody that's just learning. But I need to caution you. If you buy the plug-and-play version, you will not have all those safe technologies. And as we demonstrated today, this airplane is a handful for especially for somebody that's never flown before. So, plug-and-play version, don't do it if you're just first learning how to fly. Get the ready to fly version. It already has all the settings in there, beginner, safe, all that good stuff. It's a wonderful first airplane for, especially my girls. It's worked out great, and I couldn't recommend it more.
Hear that, snake bait? You're better. That's its name.
Okay, snake bait, I like that. All right, guys, so we're gonna close this thing out. Get your families involved, bring new people into the hobby, and girls, take it away.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
Ooh,
Bye.
she threw you off. Bye.